Nem que a vaca tussa. This expression literally translates as, not even if the cow coughs. You can say to your Brazilian friends, nem que a vaca tussa, when they invite you to do something or when they ask you to do something, and you want to say to them, not in a million years I'm going to do that. Nem que a vaca tussa. Its origin is unknown, but it refers to the rare and unusual event of cows coughing. It does happen, but it's very rare. So it highlights the improbability or impossibility of something happening. So let me know in the comments which expressions you'd like me to talk about next.